Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at Stray Kids' Photobook. It does come with a photo card, so I will show that at the end. It's just a short little small photo book. So it looks like we have all the signatures here. I'm not sure when they did this photo book or like for what purpose. They're doing a concert or something, because I know there was a couple other goods items you could get. I think there's like posters, there was a photo card set, but some of it sold out, so I couldn't get it all. I do know a couple of them better because I watched the Stray Kids TV show, the little debut show they did. But I probably need to watch it again because I watched it so late. But I did find out quite a bit about a few of the members. I was sad when Felix got kicked off. But it was so nice that they got to do that final performance at the end to see if they should stay as a full group or as the lower amount. But it was fun watching them make the Elevator song, because that's one of my favorite Stray Kids songs so far. It was nice getting to see like the background behind that as well as some of their other songs. And then their one of my favorites was their dance battle against YG. Oh, I loved it. I like how it started all cutesy and funny, and then it got like real serious. I love that Humble song too. So I love that they used that. Oop. I knew that was going to happen. Of course we end with a big group shot. There it is. Let's see whose photo card I got. It's a little hard to tell. I can't tell by the signature. Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can take a close look. It looks like Jisung, I believe his name is. He's the one who he sings and raps. I'd recognize him in the book. I think it's Jisung. I think that's his name. Oh, I already passed him. Here, him. Looks like him. I think it's Jisung. I think he goes by a different name, but they kept calling him something like that in the show. But there it is. I don't think the signature is authentic or anything either. I think it's just printed on. But there is Stray Kids photo book. I'm going to see if I can get some other Stray Kids items, because I do love their music and I want to see what other kind of goods and stuff they have, because I do want more photo cards. I was so sad when I was going through my collection. I only had one 9-pocket sleeve for their photo cards. So I do want to get some more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share. And until the next video. Bye, guys.